Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video we are going to talk about top 5 Android apps on Google Play Store. First one is Candy Crush Saga. It's a gaming app. Let's see short description of this application. Start playing Candy Crush Saga today, a legendary puzzle game loved by millions of players around the world. Switch and match candies in this tasty puzzle adventure to progress to the next level. For that sweet winning feeling, solve puzzle with quick thinking and smart moves and be rewarded with delicious rainbow colored cascades and tasty candy combos. Let's see another Android app. It's Temple Run 2. It's also a gaming app, I guess. With over a zillion downloads, Temple Run redefined mobile gaming. Now get more of accelerating running, jumping, turning and sliding you love in Temple Run 2. Navigate perilous cliffs, zip lines, mines and press as you try to escape with cursed idol. How far can you run? Let's see another gaming app. Android app. So it's Snapseed. Let's see description of Snapseed. Snapseed is a complete and professional photo editor developed by Google. Key features: 29 tools and filters including healing, brush, structure, HDR, perspective. See list below. Opens JPG and RAW files. Save your personal looks and apply them to new photos later. Selective filter brush. All styles can be tweaked with fine, precise control. Tools, filters and face. Raw develop, open and tweak raw DNG files. Save non-destructively or export as JPG. Tune image, adjust exposure and color automatically or manually with fine, precise control. Details magically brings out surfaces in images. Crop to standard size or freely. Rotate by 90 degree or straighten as skewed. Horizon perspective. Fix skewed lines and perfect the geometry of horizon or buildings. Great. Let's see another Android app. Color Time Paint by Number. Let's see description of this application. Color Time is a color by number game for adults which can exercise your brain and make you smarter. It can also meet your needs for high quality wallpapers. Go and enjoy the color by number journey that Color Time brings to you. Awesome. Let's see another application, and it's Samsung calculator. Key features: perform 4 fundamental operations and engineering calculations. To start engineering calculator, tap the engineering calculator icon. To check the calculation history, tap the calculation history icon. To close the calculation history panel, tap the keypad icon. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be right back very soon with another informative video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.